Presenting Aristophanes of Athens, playwright.
Next.
Please, sir, hear me out.
We don't need playwrights in Verdonia.
Nobody down there understands my work. They don't want clever satire, only cheap gags. Please allow me to share my place in your city without having to resort to easy jokes.
What do you have to offer Verdonia?
Lucrative sequels.
Presenting Cassandra of Athens, prophet.
So, decided to be a part of Verdonia after all.
I come on behalf of Athena.
I see. Apology accepted.
I want you to know your message has been heard loud and clear. Olympus gets the message, and now it's time to stop.
Well, maybe if they took a tip from the city in the sky, they wouldn't be losing their own people.
Watch me go, kid. You're not a god yet.
Tell Athena thanks, but no thanks.
Got it. Athena has a message for you, too.
For me?
She wants to talk to you at the Parthenon.
Why?
I don't know. I wouldn't pass it up.
Phoebes, can we be more careful about who we let in here? I don't want just... EPOPS. Darling, what are you doing
EPOPS
here?
needs to speak to you.
Worst possible time, sweetheart. Maybe if you came back...
There have been rumors that you've been caging my birds and stealing their homes to make room for the humans.
I'm appalled. Truly, nothing but vicious slander.
EPOPS fears the city might be becoming too big for the birds to be sharing.
EPOPS, listen. You're still king. I'm just doing the dirty work for you. Now, if you excuse me, I have a meeting with the defense committee.
Can King EPOPS come?
No. Phoebes, let's go.
Nick, do you have a minute to talk?
Set up an appointment.
I did.
Rain check, buddy, I promise. Phoebes?
I'll be right there.
Sure, but make it snappy, okay?
Well, I suppose King EPOPS can just organize his collection of shiny things.
Nick's just busy running the city.
I know.
They're building a new library tomorrow.
Yeah, and a new casino next week.
Aren't you happy with the city?
I suppose so. I just never thought it would get this big.
Everyone wants to come here. Even Athena is jealous.
Athena?
The Cassandra came, she gave me this.
Your presence is requested at the Parthenon, at the behest of her godliness of Athens, Athena.
She wants to see me.
Boy, you're gonna go?
Do you think I should?
They did banish you.
Maybe the Olympians changed their mind.
Even if they didn't, do you really want to go back?
I didn't know it meant so much to you.
You're right. I'm sorry. It's none of my business. I shouldn't be talking.
Well, are you sure there's not another reason you'd want me to stay?
Like what?
I was just wondering.
You know, I'm really glad I met you, Phoebe.
Even though I lost your money, had us kicked out of Athens, and almost had us eaten by a flock of birds.
I wouldn't have it any other way.
I'm glad I met you too, Theo.
You know, not everybody wants to be around someone who's been kicked out of every city in Greece.
Not everyone wants to be around someone who is banished from Mount Olympus.
Phoebe,
Yes?
never mind.
What is it?
It may sound cheesy. It may sound silly. You make me queasy, uneasy, and dizzy.
I'm sorry.
In a good way. I feel ways I've never felt before. It's a wonderful feeling, and it makes me want to do much more. You inspire me to do what I desire.